Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Groot from Guardian of the Galaxy. Let's start with head first. Draw a circle. Draw a line near bottom of the circle. This line marks the lower eye line. Complete the head structure. Draw another line to mark the eye size. Draw eyes. Draw mouth. Draw a basic body shape. Draw legs. Draw hands. Draw hands. Let's detail Groot's body. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.